How to create a Google Workspace account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Google Workspace account. Google Workspace is a great tool to grow your business more efficiently. So first of all, head to the workspace.google.com website. Click on Get Started right now. And this will take you to the sign up page. Click your business name right here. How many employees you have in the company, the country of residency, your first name, last name, and the current email address of the company, or your personal email address. You can search different domain names because Google Workspace will offer you a domain name for your business. Verify that you're not a robot and continue on following the steps by filling your contact info, and then in the final stage you'll be asked to choose a popular plan or choose your plan. So there's the business starter for €5, the business standard, business plus, and enterprise. Google Workspace includes different tools that are designed for work from everywhere on any device, giving everyone the ability to contribute equally regardless of their location, role, and device. It's a great tool for managing teamwork. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.